super cute Andaz Suite at the Andaz 5th Avenue. They left some bubbles, which was nice. This is sort of interesting the way they've done this. So the mini bar stuff is here. A lot of refrigerator going on here, which is sort of interesting. Didn't really understand that completely. Rather stark, but in a nice way. That leads to the bathroom that way, and this leads to the bedroom over here. Once again, rather stark, but cool. Love the drapes. Funky art. These doors are also sort of interesting. Sort of funky. Great shower. Nice sinks. Toilet rooms over here. Artwork. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice little 1-bedroom suite. Sort of perfect for 2 people.